Are you interested in learning how to capture photographs like these? If so, then check out my course on photography. We will cover all the basics, including discussing different sensor sizes. We'll talk about everything you need to know about proper exposure, including f-stop and how it controls depth of field. We will look at ISO settings and see how it affects image quality. We'll cover different types of photographic filters that can greatly improve your images, including the incredible effects of polarizer filters, neutral density filters to control your exposure, specialty filters, and the most common of all, the UV filter. We'll look at a variety of lenses and lens types. We'll cover many types of tripods and tripod head options. We'll go over proper camera setup so you can capture images to use in software for interesting edits, like stacking lightning photography to create a stunning composite image and much more. We'll see the power of editing raw images over JPEG when it comes to recovering exposure and doing other editing tasks. We'll talk about numerous types of printing options you have to display your images. We're going to look at many different types of accessories and see how to use them correctly. So if you would like to learn more about photography, sign up for the course, and I hope to see you there.